Stop being so mature. When was the last time you did something completely childish, just because it felt good? Are you living a packaged life? Somewhere between paying bills and filing taxes, we all collectively decided to stop having fun. We traded play for productivity. The playground mindset. Sometimes it's okay to not follow some of the rules. Here is your official permission slip to break the rules. Welcome to the playground mindset. Radical acts of joy. Eat ice cream for breakfast. Jump in the puddle instead of walking around it. Go down the slide. Actively hunt for radical acts of joy. Stay young. Being an adult doesn't mean you have to be boring. It just means you get to choose your own playtime. Go do something silly today. Do this today. What's one childish thing you secretly still love doing? Let's bring back the joy in the comments. Reshare this to remind someone to stop being so serious today.